Clank?
Check and mate.
This looks like fun.
Just what the technician ordered.
Prepare to be downgraded.
Interesting.
Are you serious? That's it! I am out of here! Captain Quark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark. Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Oh man, that rocked, huh? All in a day's work. Maybe next time.
Strange pipes all willy-nilly? That'd be ridiculous. No, this one you'll have to do alone. Oh, and by the way, I wouldn't risk any more than 6 minutes.
Is that the best you got? Maybe next time.
Interesting. Nice, nice, nice.
Seen any good holo films? Yeah, we got him.
Hey, they must have been real losers. Wow! How did you do that? I think we're in trouble! Man, that stung! I told you we shouldn't have come here, and you listened! What? Ah! Okay. I'm fine. Easy, buddy. It's your old pal Daxter, remember?
Daxter?
What the heck was that? Sheesh! Remind me not to pew off. Come on, tall, dark, and gruesome. We're out of here. I brought you some new threads. Put them on.
Pretty statue.
Stand back. We're professionals. All right, boys, let's blow this sucker sky high.
Wait, who told you to... No!
There's what we're looking for. The heart of my gym. Thanks for the escort, buddy. We'll take it back to crew. You can make it. Crank that sign up to full brightness.
Hang on, Dax. It's gonna be close.
My beautiful monk!
Okay, watch and learn.
Oh, I'm learning all right.
Is this it?
No, it has to load.
Load.
Yes.
This is taking a really long time.
You have no patience.
When you turn something on, you expect it to... Okay, there we go. Crash Bandicoot.
Is there a problem?
No, just, how do you make it go?
Push the start button.
I knew that.
All right.
I got it.
Oh, Nate!
Adios, asshole.
To go longer and go faster than his teammate has now failed effectively.
It's not working, is it?
Bottas is faster than him, so all this will do is give Lewis fresher tyres later on in the race, which is fair enough.
Right, here we go again. Max Verstappen and Charles Leclerc. They're coming onto the main straight to complete lap 19 of this race. Hamilton leads. Sebastian Vettel is second. We barely mentioned Vettel. Neither Hamilton or Vettel have stopped. Bottas, Leclerc, Verstappen complete the top five. Here's Verstappen once more. There's a yellow flag right at the end of the lap here. It's not going to affect these two for the time being, and the yellow flag is for Antonio Giovinazzi, who seems to have dropped it in the gravel on the exit of the Vale chicane.